How to download Facebook videos in an iPhone. First of all, go to Facebook. Now copy the link of that video. Simply click on more. After that, go to Chrome or any browser in iPhone. You will go to Safari. I am opening in Chrome. In Safari, you will search FB Video Downloader. After that, you can click on any website. This website will be shown to you. Simply, I will click on any random. After that, paste the link here in Safari. Now click download. Wait a little bit. You will see two options: download video in normal quality, download video in HD quality. So simply download video in HD quality, and that's it. Your video will be start downloading in iPhone. This method was same in iPhone and Android. Thanks for watching.